side. This light on it, so you can see. There's another chicken over here, chicken neck, and here's a Britannia cheese and salt cheese and butter, all kind of fruits. There's a mozzarella, and we have a spoon water. I think we have a sparkling spoon and 18 sausages and complete nutrition in jelly. Has a nutrition. There's a chicken neck and there's a salt cream and there's a nut milk. And over here, up here, we have all these 3 buttons that you can press with, so you can watch press on and off. You can set temp and super, I think. So, and next time there's nothing there. And there's spicy, and there's applesauce, I think. Here's a mint sauce. There's I don't know what it is they have. Red pesto, and there's a green pesto, and there's enough on the left side. Mint sauce on the right side, there's the left side. There's a tomato sauce, and the date is to the end of September 2024, I think. I have this one here. We got some milk. This is all British home milk. Okay. There's enough milk. Down here it has there's a label on that. There's another label on that as well. And there's a bird. It has been open last date until this was 19th of 22. I think it's 4 ice packs. There's a bacon burger, and there's another burger just like that, and there's chicken steaks. And there's it looks like a sausage and chicken leg to me. Chicken leg to me. Down here we have chicken livers, and we have chicken livers, bacon, and all kinds of stuff. And it says surprise extra large, and there's Hotpoint plug, but you can see gold in here. Screens, all kinds of stuff, whatever you like. And that is it. See? There's a Hotpoint logo in here, so you can see it. And yeah, and we'll see you in my next video.